Installing new windows is one of the best ways to improve your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. However, even a high-quality window can underperform if it's installed incorrectly. Homeowners in Scott often make a few avoidable mistakes that lead to leaks, drafts, and wasted money. To help you achieve flawless results, here are the most common window installation mistakes, and how to avoid them. Skipping proper measurements. One of the biggest mistakes during window installation is failing to take accurate measurements. A window that's even slightly too large or too small can cause serious issues, such as air leaks, water intrusion, and difficulty opening or closing the window. In Scott's humid climate, this can lead to condensation and mold growth around the frame. How to avoid it? Always measure each window opening multiple times, width, height, and depth, from different points. Don't assume that every opening in your home is the same size, even if the house was built at once. Precision ensures a snug fit and long-term performance. Ignoring local climate conditions. Scott homeowners sometimes choose windows based solely on appearance or price, without considering how materials perform in local conditions. Louisiana's humid subtropical climate means windows must withstand high humidity, heavy rain, and strong sun exposure. How to avoid it? Choose windows made with weather-resistant materials such as vinyl, fiberglass, or treated wood. Look for energy-efficient, double or triple pane glass with low E coatings to reflect heat and reduce UV damage. Properly rated windows will help maintain indoor comfort and lower utility bills. Improper sealing and insulation. Even the best window won't perform well if it isn't sealed correctly. Skipping insulation around the frame or using the wrong type of caulk can allow outside air and moisture to enter, causing drafts, condensation, and damage to the wall structure. How to avoid it? Apply high-quality spray foam or insulation around the frame before sealing. Use weatherproof silicone or polyurethane caulk to seal gaps between the window and siding. Pay extra attention to corners, as these are common leak points. Not checking for level and alignment. It's common for DIY installers to overlook leveling and squaring the window properly. If the window isn't installed evenly, it can cause poor operation, uneven wear on hinges, and gaps that lead to air leakage. How to avoid it? Always use a level and shims to ensure the window is perfectly square and plumb. Double-check alignment before securing the frame permanently. A properly leveled window ensures smooth opening and closing and prevents long-term mechanical issues. Overlooking flashing installation. Flashing acts as a protective barrier that directs water away from the window and prevents moisture from seeping into the walls. Many installers, especially during DIY projects, skip or improperly install flashing, leading to water damage and mold growth. How to avoid it? Use high-quality self-adhesive flashing tape or metal flashing around the window perimeter. Install it in the correct order, bottom first, then sides, then top, to create an effective drainage path that keeps water out of your home. Failing to inspect the wall opening before installing a new window. The wall opening, or rough opening, should be carefully inspected. Ignoring signs of rot, mold, or structural weakness can lead to bigger problems later, even after the window is installed. How to avoid it? Remove all old materials and inspect the framing. Repair or replace any damaged wood or insulation before proceeding. This ensures that your new window sits securely and functions properly for years to come. Neglecting professional help while DIY window installation might seem like a way to save money. It can end up costing more in the long run if mistakes lead to air leaks or structural issues. Many homeowners in Scott underestimate the expertise required for a perfect installation. How to avoid it? Consider hiring a professional window installer in Scott who understands local building codes, energy standards, and climate-specific challenges. Professionals have the right tools, experience, and techniques to complete the job safely and efficiently. Final thoughts. Window installation may look simple, but it's a precise process that demands attention to detail and the right materials. Avoiding these common mistakes can help you protect your investment, improve your home's energy efficiency, and enhance comfort year-round. Whether you're upgrading for aesthetic appeal or long-term savings, take the time to plan carefully, or partner with an experienced installer in Scott to ensure every window performs at its best.